Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add cleaning solution to the Narwal Flow 2. If you're interested in the Flow 2, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals. So, on the station here, we actually have to remove the clean water tank, revealing our solution tank in there. This just pops right out, so you can see it from all different sides and angles. And up at the top, we have this purple pole cover, where now you can open it up, pour in your Narwal solution, get it nice and full, and then just press the cap back down. And you'll want to line it up. It's only going to fit one way. Gently give it a nice press back in. Should be nice and flush. And then you can take your clean water tank and install it, and that's it. Simple and straightforward to add solution to the Narwal Flow 2 station.